You want something extraordinary that no one else has. It is sitting right here. This is built by the famed American auto builder, John Byers. This is all lead work. This isn't a glass car. It is at a level all of its own. There is so much in the details. You could spend an hour looking at the car and never see it all. Here's just a few things right off the bat for you. The rain well's all been smoothed in, has been chopped. All your fenders have been smoothed in. Look at how they did the headlights and the hood. But here's a big one. Normally, the pillars are straight up and down. They curved the door, they curved the whole window. Everything is beautiful. Yes, this is an air ride car. It's fully adjustable between the front and the rear. Means trailering, driveways, no longer an issue. You adjust it as you need it. Another note, all the bags are brand new, just done, no issues with the car at all. Running gear, 350, 350 horsepower, turbo 350, automatic, 10 bolt. It is rock solid. Why don't we talk options for just a second? Powered steering, disc brakes, powered windows, front and rear, AC and heat. This is a fully loaded build. It's gorgeous, and this is your opportunity to have a car by a famed builder. His name is John Byers. Look him up. What a beauty. 41 Chevy Town Sedan. Every trick in the book on the bodywork is done. Remember, John Byers is one of Washington's leading builders. He was at a level all of his own. When we were growing up, we look at these cars in the magazines and we just wished that we could have them. Lead work is a lost art. Now everybody glasses them in. This will last you a lifetime. It is absolutely at that level. Every trick, every line, every gap is perfect. It is on an air ride. All the bags are new. Nothing for you to worry about. It's running at 350 with 350 horsepower, a turbo 350, a 10-bolt rear. It is rock solid. It's ready for a road trip. Features: disc brakes, powered steering, powered windows, front and rear, AC, heat, top-of-the-line sound system. Everything you need is sitting right here. You want to cruise the boulevard and you want people to take notice, this is the car.